Welcome to my channel. Today my goal is to move the kitchen sink line down to this new main sewage line that I just installed, and it used to go up there to the old sewage line. I am also moving the washing machine line over to the new one. The reason why I move everything over there is because this pipe have a major crack in it on the other side of the house. At first I was planning to make the hole go through here, but it was so hard to do. But when we bought the house, there was a big hole over there that somebody already did. It did not go completely through the foundation, but it was easier to just make everything go through that hole. And this worked out better for us too, because we're planning to move the washer and the dryer to this corner. So this is for the best, and everything gonna look better at the end. I will leave affiliated link for any of the product that I will be using today. If you are planning on buying any of them, please use the link in my description box. The first piece I'll be connecting is this 4" into 2" adapter, and I will cut a little piece from this 4" pipe to connect the adapter to the 90-degree angle. All I need is 3" from this pipe to connect the two pieces together. The way I do it, I go every 2" or so and just mark my measurement. I use a cordless saw to cut the pipe. I place the blade between the two dots. And as you're going through it, I rotate a little bit. I don't cut it completely at first, but once I scar the whole PVC around, then I start going through the PVC. Now I'm done cutting it. I'll be using a razor and sandpaper to clean out the pipe. Just repeat the same process for any other pipe that you cut. Clean them and then sand them with a little bit of sandpaper. Now we're getting ready to start putting everything together. We're going to use primer. Now we're going to put the glue on it. I usually push it in and give it a twist, so I make sure there's good coverage, and it's already on pretty tight. This is the next piece. It's a 2-inch pipe, about 2 inches long. I already cleaned it and sanded it with sandpaper. Just repeat the same process like I did earlier. Make sure that when you use a T or a 4-way pipe, make sure you use it the right way. As you can see, water gonna come in this way and go straight down. If you put it the opposite way, upside down, it's not gonna work properly and you're gonna have water inside of your pipe. I added this part just in case I need to service it in the future. Now I'm taking the washing machine sewage line up so I can move it to the new one. Watch out for waters. And now it's off. I'm gonna move it to the new line. So this is what it looked like after I glue the washing machine line into it. Now all I gotta do is connect the kitchen sink line to this one. The thing I like about those PVC, they give you some line, so if you want to make them perfectly straight, you just match those lines with each other. Now I'm going to remove the kitchen sink line. So the pipe is sagging a little bit right in the middle, so I figured there's gonna be water in it, so make sure you grab a container if you have the same issue. Less water than I was expecting, wasn't that bad. Right now for the kitchen sink, it's gonna be temporary because I don't know why they would do a major hole in the beam right now, right here, because the kitchen sink is right, we're standing right underneath the kitchen sink. I don't know why they would do all that work when they could just go straight up. So my fix gonna be to cut it somewhere right here and use that rubber piece right here to connect the two pieces together for now, and just make it come straight down until I do a permanent fix where it goes straight up and then repair this damage they did to the beam. I'm just taking some nail and some piece of metal that's in the way before I cut the pipe. This one used to be an old alarm. It's not in use anymore. So I know I can just take it out of the way. I'm gonna put something to block debris from going into this while I'm cutting the PVC on top. I will be using a hand saw because this piece of pipe right now is not that sturdy, so I don't want to damage any other part of it. Kitchen drainage sink I just took out. The rubber part that used to be at the bottom, now I move it to the top, and all I'm gonna do for right now is just attach it where I just cut it off, and then the bottom part I'm just gonna get cement and fit it inside of the 2-inch pipe. It's not gonna be a perfect fit, it's just gonna be temporary for now until I do a permanent fit, but that's gonna work for now. I'm just gonna measure this line and cut it now. I'm just gonna screw this one. The kitchen sink is on right now, as you can hear it. The water is coming down and nothing is leaking. You can see a little water up there, but it was when I was taking the pipe apart. There's no drip, and you can hear the water coming down. I'm gonna fill this gap with something until I fix this pipe permanently. And this is all for now. Again, if you're interested in buying any of the items that I use in this video, I will leave link in the description. I really appreciate you coming to my channel. Thank you.